Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making rainbow sugar cookies. This is a fantastic sugar cookie recipe and they're going to be covered with rainbow sprinkles and your kids are really going to love them. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we're going to need 1 cup of butter softened, 1.5 cups of sugar, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 3/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Before we get started, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Now we're going to combine our flour, our salt, our baking powder, and baking soda together until it's thoroughly combined. With the hand mixer or stand mixer, we're going to want to cream together our butter and sugar for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to want to scrape down the sides and add in our egg and our vanilla and mix this for about another minute. Then in with our flour mixture, and we're just going to combine this until it's barely incorporated. And that's what we want our dough to look like. It may look a little dry, but to check if it's not, we're going to take a small amount and we're just going to roll it into a ball. And if it sticks together nicely with very little cracks, then that's what we're looking for. That looks great. Now we're also going to need a few tablespoons of milk and about 3/4 cups of our rainbow sprinkles. We're going to start by setting up a little workstation. We have our milk, our sprinkles, a greased cookie sheet, and our dough. Now depending on the size of the cookies that you want is going to determine how much dough you use. What we're going to do is take our amount of dough, we're going to roll it into a nice tight ball, pack it in there, make it nice and tight. We're going to take our 2 fingers, we're going to slightly dampen the outside of the dough. We're going to roll it in our sprinkles. This is going to help them stick. We're going to place it on our cookie sheet about 2 inches apart from each other. And I'll show you that again. We're going to take our dough, form it into a nice tight ball. We're going to dampen the outside of the cookies with a little bit of milk. And into our sprinkles, and we're going to roll them around and get them covered. Once the cookies are fully coated in sprinkles, we're going to place these in our 350 degree oven for about 15 to 18 minutes until they are golden brown. And they are done. Don't they look fantastic? This is what we're looking for. We want them to be golden brown around the edges. There's a few cracks on top. Now we're going to let them cool for about 5 minutes on the cookie sheet, and then we're going to get a taste of them. Let's get a taste. That's still warm. That's so good. It really reminds me of a cookie I had at a local bakery when I was a kid. They're light, they're fluffy, there's a nice crispiness on the bottom and the exterior. The sprinkles are just fun. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I also have an outdoor channel. I'll drop a link for that in the description. And if you'd like to support the channel, head on over to our Patreon account. I'll have a link for that in the description as well. Thank you. We'll see you in the next one.